everybody, welcome back to my channel if you've been here before, or if you're new here then welcome. My name is Eve. I post all sorts of makeup and beauty related videos. Sorry I look like this today, I have got the sorest head, so I'm wanting to just chill out all day, but I did just get my PLouise Budget box through the door, so I was wanting to give this a go and see what's inside it and open up for you guys. What was I going to say? I'm hoping to film with a new XS Revolution green palette tonight, but I might not, so see if that review is a wee bit delayed then I do apologise. But anyway, let's just open it up and see what's inside it. I have seen spoilers, so I do have an idea of what's inside. And I think a lot of you guys probably do know as well. So it has came in the box like it normally does. And let's just take a wee peek and see what we've got this month. There's definitely brow products because we were asked to pick 2 brow products, like 2 shades, or you could have like 2 of the same shades, which I think was quite odd. So I don't know if that means there's like 2 of the one product, which is a bit strange, but I don't know. It comes with the lovely card like normal, invoice. Okay, so we have quite a few things in here. So we will start with this one. I'll need to put my glasses on to see exactly what it is. So yeah, there is 2 of the eyebrow paints. I got the shades Hazelnut Latte and Blonde Blend. Let's just see what these are like. I think these are just like a kind of brow pomade. Yeah, so it's in the same packaging as the kind of paints are. So let's just swatch Blonde Blend. Exactly the same packaging as the paints. Okay, this is a bit darker than I thought it was going to be for Blonde Blend. So that is Blonde Blend there. It is quite dark, but it's a really nice colour. And then let's see Hazelnut Latte. And this one is a bit darker, so I'll just swatch it and then I can always give it to my sister-in-laws. Just to see the difference. In the colours. So that is Hazelnut Latte underneath, so there is quite a big bit of difference, and I don't know if I'll use Hazelnut Latte or if I'll sell it on, but we'll see. And then the other brow product we get in here is the new Brow Balm. So this is quite exciting. This is a brand new product, I believe. It says the perfect base for your brows. It comes in this really cute box. Yeah. It comes with a wee thing, I'm assuming, yeah, this is instructions. So it says how to use. And then you also get a wee spoolie, which is really cute. It's a nice size spoolie in the kind of typical PLouise packaging. So yeah, this is a wee pot it comes in. Like I say, sorry about my lighting, I've not set up my full lighting, but this is really cute. I really like the packaging. PLouise always does a great job in our packaging. And you just kind of pop off the lid and that's what it looks like. So it really is just a brow balm. That's a nice thick texture, so I'm so excited to give that a go and see what it's like. Then next we have a dark base. This is in the colour Rumour 06. Now I don't know what I'm going to do with this. Some people suggested you can maybe contour with it, but it is quite dark, so I will see. And then you get the basic base, and this is in colour Cute and Coral, and that is a gorgeous colour. I will definitely keep this and be using this because this is a lovely, lovely colour. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at that colour. It's even brighter in real life. That is really nice. I'll definitely try that go. I've still not tried these bases yet. I've tried the paints and I really like them, but I've still not tried the actual bases. And then last but not least is a brush. I think everyone got a different brush. This is the 673 brush. This is really nice for kind of like setting the under eyes. You could use this for contour, you could use it for brushing away shadow. Like, this is a really nice brush and it's really, really soft. So What do I think of this month's box? Like, I do think I don't know why they had to give us 2 of the same brow balm, but that would be good for like a lot of people that get these are like working MUAs and want to build up their kit, so it is good for that. But personally I would like to see a different product instead of the 2 brow paints. But other than that, I thought it was a good box. I really like the inclusion of that brush because it's not just for your eyes, it's for something different. So yeah, I really like this box. Please let me know what you guys think, and if you haven't already subscribed, I would love it if you would do so. I would love it if you would turn on your notification bell so that you're notified of all my future videos, and I promise in my next video I'll be looking a bit better than this. So thanks, bye.